Good morning class. It is our chemistry video, class 9, part 2nd. In our first video, we already discussed about the basic of the chapter, which include what is matter and their types and some characteristics of their matter. So before starting our today's topic, uh, first we revise our previous topics. So what is matter? I already told you in our first video. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Next, we discuss their characteristics, like the matter having a space between them. The particles of matter are in motion, and the most important is the particles of matter attract each other. And our today topic based on the that property of matter, which include the particles of matter attract each other. Then we saw their states and types, in which there are three states. First is solid, second one is liquid, and third one is gas. So, and we saw their properties also, like solid having fixed shape, volume, third is distinct boundaries, compressibility, so on. Now let's start our today's topic. So our today topic is some common unit of temperature and SI unit of temperature, and second is interconversion of the states like solid, liquid and gas. Let's start the topic. The common unit of temperature and SI unit of temperature. It is very common topic and general topic. Example like हम अपना बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेज़र करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ थर्मामीटर, एंड अवर बॉडी टेम्परेचर इज 30-60 degree Celsius. So there are three scales which used to measure the temperature. First is Kelvin scale, second Celsius. It is a general topic. You have to note their values carefully. Celsius is used in the laboratory purpose, like to measure the melting point and boiling point. Melting point when the solid converts to the liquid. So what is the melting point of the ice? It's 0 degree. You have to learn their values, just values. And the boiling, it's 100 degree. Boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius, and it is given by Anders Celsius, is a scientist of that scale, and it is denoted by degree Celsius, which can be written as in capital C, and it is used in laboratory thermometers. Next, Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale is denoted by K, and हम सेल्सियस में डिग्री यूज़ करते हैं बट इन कैल्विन नॉट. Okay, and it is used mainly for the research work. Next, the melting point of ice and water in the Kelvin scale is different from Celsius scale. Kelvin scale value is of melting point of ice is 273 Kelvin, and boiling point is 373. So from these values we learned that the melting point है ice का Celsius scale पे it's 0 degree Celsius और Kelvin scale पे is 273. So what does it mean? It means जो टेम्परेचर है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस वो किसके बराबर है? इज इक्वल टू 273. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273. From that equation, the formula derived is temperature on Kelvin scale is equal to temperature on Celsius scale plus 273. From this formula you can solve the numericals very easily. So it is very जनरल टॉपिक. स्टूडेंट्स सिर्फ आपको इनकी वैल्यूज़ देखनी है, वैल्यूज़ किसमें सेल्सियस स्केल में मेल्टिंग पॉइंट की कितनी होती है और केल्विन स्केल में कितनी होती है, वैल्यूज़ गलत नहीं करनी. और द फार्मूला और जर्नल न्यूमेरिकल लाइक हियर इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ NCERT बुक which sample problem is convert the temperature of 25 degree Celsius to Kelvin scale. जब मैं आपको इजीली समझा रही हूँ, जब सेल्सियस को कन्वर्ट करना होता है केल्विन स्केल में, तो हम उसमें उस वैल्यू में 273 को ऐड कर देंगे, जो कि हमने ऊपर देखा था कि वो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू 273. तो एडअप कर दिया, केल्विन स्केल की वैल्यू आ गई. इसमें अब क्या पूछा है, सेल्सियस को केल्विन स्केल में कन्वर्ट करना. ओके, सेम नेक्स्ट है जिसमें सेल्सियस को, जिसमें केल्विन को कन्वर्ट करना है टू द सेल्सियस स्केल. फर्स्ट था सेल्सियस टू केल्विन, नाउ केल्विन टू सेल्सियस. जब केल्विन टू सेल्सियस हमें कोई भी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी होती है, देन वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द 273 वैल्यू फ्रॉम द गिवन वैल्यू. Just you have to note down that when we have to convert temperature Celsius to Kelvin, we have to add the value of 273, and but we have to convert Kelvin to Celsius, so we have to subtract the value. It is a general topic. Okay, so our main topic is changes of state of matter. Now we will discuss in brief changes of state of matter. It happens with two process, by changing the temperature or by changing the pressure. अब changes of state of matter like this is solid, liquid और gas. क्यों किसी भी स्टेट को कन्वर्ट होने के लिए क्यों वो कन्वर्ट होती है, वाई? बिकॉज लाइक जैसे ह्यूमन बॉडी है, वो अपने जैसे आउट एनवायरनमेंट के टेम्परेचर के साथ अडॉप्ट करती है टू सर्वाइव. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट, कोई भी सब्सटेंस टेम्परेचर एनवायरनमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग अपने आप को अडेप्ट करती है, अपनी स्टेट्स में चेंजेस लाती है. जैसे ह्यूमन बॉडी समर के अकॉर्डिंग अपनी बॉडी को अडेप्ट करती है, सेम एज इन विंटर. सो नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द स्टेट. The change in the state, it's done by changing the temperature and by changing the pressure. Now you can easily understand with this chart, like solid, when it converts to liquid, then the process is called melting. Okay, when liquid converts to gas, it's called boiling. Okay. It is a very simple process. When solid converts to liquid, the process is known as melting. But when liquid converts to when liquid converts to gas, it's known as boiling. Now, when solid directly converts to gas, the process is known as sublimation. Okay, now it is a straightforward process, but when it goes reverse, like when gas converted to liquid, it's called condensation, and liquid converted to solid, it's known as freezing. Students, when solid converted to gas, it also called as evaporation process, which is happen in our daily life. So it is a basic chart in which we see How the interconversion in the states begin? We saw solid to liquid, then liquid to gas. But gas is also converted to a solid state, which is also known as sublimation. It is a common. Okay. Now we will discuss about brief in our next video.